language learners. Welcome to Learning English Words. Today I'm going to talk about singular and plural nouns. We will learn about the rules, the difference between regular and irregular plural nouns with many examples. Before we get started, let me tell you about singular and plural nouns more. Singular nouns refer to one person, place, thing, or idea, like apple, book, and pencil. Plural nouns refer to more than one of something, like apples, books, and pencils. Now, I think it's time to start our adventure. Let's go! First, let's talk about the rules of singular and plural nouns. For regular plural nouns, we have 4 rules. 1. Most nouns simply take S, like the plural of cat is cats. 2. Nouns ending in ch, sh, x, s, z take es, like the plural of box is boxes. 3. Nouns ending in y when preceded by a consonant change y to ies, like the plural of baby is babies. 4. Nouns ending in f or fe often change f to vs, like the plural of loaf is loaves. Now let's see more examples of regular plural nouns for better demonstration.
Dog, dogs.
Dog, dogs.
Bird, birds.
Bird, birds.
Chair, chairs.
Chair, chairs.
House, houses.
House, houses.
Table, tables.
Table, tables.
Car, cars.
Car, cars.
Phone, phones.
Phone, phones.
Window, windows.
Window, windows.
Bottle, bottles.
Bottle, bottles.
Laptop, laptops.
Laptop, laptops.
Brush, brushes.
Brush, brushes.
Fox, foxes.
Fox, foxes.
Dish, dishes.
Dish, dishes.
Church, churches.
Church, churches.
Watch, watches.
Watch, watches.
Lady, ladies.
Lady, ladies.
City, cities.
City, cities.
Family, families.
Family, families.
Hey there, language learners. Thank you so much for watching until now. Let me tell you a little thing about regular plural nouns. First, let me ask you a question. What is the plural of boy? Since boy ends in Y, you might wonder if it changes to IES. But it doesn't because the letter before the Y is a vowel, O. Vowels are O, A, E, I, and U, and when a noun ends in Y, preceded by a vowel, you simply add S to form the plural. Now, the plural of boy is boys. Let's see more examples for better demonstration.
Toy, toys.
Toy, toys.
Key, keys.
Key, keys.
Tray, trays.
Tray, trays.
Leaf, leaves.
Leaf, leaves.
Knife, knives.
Knife, knives.
Shelf, shelves.
Shelf, shelves.
Bus, buses.
Bus, buses.
Dress, dresses.
Dress, dresses.
Hi again, language learners. I hope you like my video until now. I want to teach you and tell you more rules about singular and plural nouns, but this time with irregular plural nouns. Here are 3 rules about them. 1. Some words totally change form, like the plural of child is children. 2. Some stay the same, like the plural of sheep is sheep, or the plural of deer is deer. 3. Some follow unique rules, like the plural of foot is feet, or the plural of mouse is mice. Let's see more examples for better demonstration.
Man, men.
Man, men.
Woman, women.
Woman, women.
Tooth, teeth.
Tooth, teeth.
Goose, geese.
Goose, geese.
Person, people.
Person, people.
Cactus, cacti.
Cactus, cacti.
Fungus, fungi.
Fungus, fungi.
Louse, lice.
Louse, lice.
Fish, fish.
Fish, fish.
Aircraft, aircraft.
Aircraft, aircraft.
News, news.
News, news.
Scissors, scissors.
Scissors, scissors.
Trousers, trousers.
Trousers, trousers.
That's a wrap on today's adventure, language learners. I hope you enjoy this little adventure with me. If you want more fun, easy to understand English lessons, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and as they say in the movies, stay adventurous.